Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So, today we're going to be making a little bit of a lighting wall. I'm going to go ahead and delete the default cube, and let's go ahead and switch out EV to cycles. Let's add a plane in here. So we're going to go with R, and we will rotate this by 90. S for scale. We'll go with G, bring this up. And all we're going to do is let's go with a cylinder. Let's go with G, bring this across. S for scale. And we'll bring this down. S for scale again. We'll bring this up to the top right here with G. We're going to right click and shade smooth. Next we're going to add an icosphere. We can go ahead, press G. You can press 7. And this will give you a top view, so you can get this directly over the top. So let's go with G. And bring this just there from the bottom. We'll go with G again and bring this up. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to make a glass interface on the top here with the icosphere. So switch out your principal BSDF to glass BSDF and turn down the roughness. We'll then take the stick here and we'll make this just black. So you should have something like this. Then what we're going to do is take this icosphere right here, and we're going to go ahead and Shift D to duplicate it, S for scale to bring it inwards, and then we're going to go ahead and press G and bring it back down again. So this one is in the middle. Now this one we don't want glass BSDF to this, so get rid of that. Let's go with new. We'll switch out from principal BSDF to emission. And we're just going to turn the emission up. So now we should have something that looks like this. A little light inside of a little crystal ball. So the next thing I'm going to do is just change this to an orange. And I'm going to go ahead and change this down. It's a nice little orange light on the inside. So once we've done all of this, let's go back to regular render. We'll take this light right here that we've just made. Let's go with G. R for rotate. 90 degrees. Let's go G. Bring this back to the wall. S for scale. And we're going to go with G. Bring it to the wall. And once we've done that, what we're going to do, let's go Shift D. We'll press, let's go with 5. Actually, no, let's go with 2. Yes, let's go with 2. Shift D again. Let's go with 2. Shift D. 2. Shift D. And you can go 2 again. Let's see. If you wanted to go from the bottom, you're going to have to go -2. So we'll select everything there. So Shift D. We'll go -2. Shift D. -2. Go ahead and get rid of the lamp in your scene. So let's go delete with that one. I'm going to go ahead and select everything on the side right here. Shift D. And I'm going to go sideways here. Now we're going to go G and we're going to go upwards by 1. So now we're in the middle with this lighting right here. So once we've got this, we can then duplicate this. So Shift D, go across, and I think we were at 2. Should be at 2 at least, or just bring it out to where you want it to be. Just as such. So I'm going to go ahead and just scale this background upwards a little bit. Let's go ahead and grab these again. Shift D. Place them where you need to, or as far apart as you need to. Let's go G, bring that across. And what we're left with is a nice panel of fancy lighting that you can use on a background, which is pretty cool. Just allow the light to kind of come through a little bit and then kind of do a render. Let's go with view, align view, camera to view. We can go ahead and just press G and bring that in. Just ever so slightly so we can get that nice little view of the lights. Have something like that. And that would essentially be your piece for this particular one. The lighting will come in afterwards. Yeah, so if you like this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.